Hi, I'm Steve Marcus again. This is video number 21 about, studying for the SAT exam. I represent an organization of 37 teachers who live around the world. Some of us live in Verona, Wisconsin, or Coral Springs, Florida, Brooklyn, New York, San Diego, California. Most of our students are Americans who prefer studying with us by internet instead of studying in their high school or at a local academy or having a private class in their house. We also have a lot of teachers who live in Bolivia and Spain, Spanish-speaking countries, because a lot of Spanish kids want to go to America and study there too. We have teachers in Israel for the Israelis who want to come to America. Those teachers are Americans, but they also speak Hebrew. I also speak Spanish, okay, and some Polish and Russian. But we have teachers in Cairo and Tokyo as well. What we do that other academies don't do, I should point out, is we work with a lot of people who hate math. You can see the book in the center here is our philosophy. We prepare the SAT, okay? We also prepare, if you're interested, the GRE, okay? Many of our teachers are doctorates or PhDs from Harvard or Yale, and instead of working to make a lot of money, maybe as mathematicians or as assessors or whatever you want to call it, we spend most of our lives teaching children in local schools. Little kids explaining the common denominator is necessary when you add fractions. And now we are private teachers preparing 18 and 17-year-olds around the world for the SAT. But our philosophy is simple. We teach math to poets. Now, a poet, in our opinion, is a person who maybe isn't a poet, but a person who doesn't like math so much. Maybe they don't hate it, but they don't like it. It's always been a little bit out of their grasp. It doesn't mean you like art or math. You might like math. You might even want to be an accountant or an engineer, but math is not exactly your cup of tea. We are famous for making math simplistic, easy to understand. Okay? Now, if your goal in life is to take this SAT and get a 1,500 and go to Harvard, goodbye. I mean, we can do that for you, but we work mostly with people who are looking to get like 1,000 or 1,200 on the SAT. They want to go to good colleges. These are the people we like to teach. Now, I can also teach geniuses. I have students who studied with me to go to MIT or Harvard, okay? But it's not a challenge for me. And I have to say, as a professional, the money is number two. I really like working with people who don't like math so much, and when I see that when they're done with me or when I'm done with them, they understand it really well and they say, how come no one ever explained it to me like that before? That is what I love about my job. That's why after getting out of Harvard, I decided to teach kids in New York and Florida, California, and Israel, and even in Spain. Because I also speak Spanish. I can live in Spain too, or in South American countries, but that's the reward we get. So we help you with the reading, we help you with the writing, and we help you with the math. But if math is not your cup of tea, call us. You can get us on Skype at Levi Hello, L-E-V-I, like Levi, hello, all together, and send us a message and tell us that you'd like information about the classes. Okay, the classes are not free and they're not cheap, okay, but we can guarantee you that we're going to be teaching you at the level that you can eat at. We're not going to say to you, you understand, right, and intimidate you, so you have to say, oh yeah, right, I understand, but you really don't, okay? We're going to make sure that when we're done, you get your money's worth and you get the school you want to go to.